Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Farmerville, local and long-distance movers near me. Being the oldest moving firm, we have expertise in handling long-distance shifts. Our movers are also experienced and trained to handle your belongings for long distances. Plus, we are well aware of the ins and outs of Farmersville, so we can easily navigate and make sure to complete the shift within the given time period. We have a good working relationship with the local federal association, so we have the legal permits and licenses to conduct a long-distance shift without any legalities or delays. Our moving firm utilizes specialized tools to pack and load your belongings that help prevent any damage, wear, and tear. But additionally, we have insurance on the products that have been shifted through us, so in case of any wear and tear, the damage is borne by us without any extra charges. Irrespective of your move, you should always hire a perfect moving firm like 3 Movers. For local moves, our firm provides same-day moving and makes sure to cater to all requirements that have been made during the shift. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Farmerville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, military moving, residential moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.